Let me show you what this circle cleaning would look like using our office space here. We have a cleaning closet, so this is where our cleaning circle starts, and we're going to move to the right. And for every item that I come across, I'm going to clean it as I go. I would even take and step into the bathroom here and do all of my cleaning except for the floor. And then I come out. I do have key touch points, so there's still things out here that I'm cleaning. And then as I come to my entrance into another space, I step in. I'll do a circle of cleaning going to the right, coming through here until I come back out. Again, going to the right and cleaning everything that I come across. And I continue that circle, cleaning everything all the way down to just the floor work needing left to be done until I enter into the next space. And then I will do a circle of cleaning everything we're responsible for as I come through this space. And then I exit back out, going to my right. And then we would continue that right circle until we wind up right back here at our closet where we started from. And that would be complete circle of cleaning and what it would look like in the facility itself.